Hey guys, today we'll be making a face mask out of a paper towel. This is not a medical mask and must be used if you don't have a face covering or a proper scarf to put over your nose and mouth. Remember to subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you. You will need 2 rubber bands, some kitchen towel, and something to attach your rubber bands to the kitchen towel. For example, a stapler. Now, fold the 2 pieces of kitchen towel and fold like this. Now turn over and fold it again and repeat this many times until you are finished. Now, once you have folded the kitchen towel, you must attach the rubber bands to the side of the towel to fasten them, but also so that you can actually wear the mask. In this case, I am using a stapler. This is simple and effective. You can use other methods, but I prefer this. Well done, you've done all the hard work. And now, just unfold it. Of course, wash your hands before doing this. And voila, we've got an amazing mask. Of course, it's not very effective, but it will do. It's the same as a cloth. And it's more comfortable, of course, than a scarf. So, there we go. Okay, right now, you just have to get a rubber band and tape it like this. There we go, and there we go. And now we take the stapler and attach it to the sides. Yes, and we can press it a bit hard to make sure the stapler doesn't ruin. And there we go. Wait, come on, it just didn't work. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, and if you have any other game suggestions or any videos you want me to do, make sure you leave a comment down below. And to help this channel revive, please subscribe to help me, and tell me that you want me to make more videos like this. Thank you.